Welcome. If you've ever wanted your phone to buzz every time someone likes your post on Instagram, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to turn on vibration for Instagram likes step by step. It's quick, simple, and totally updated for the latest version of the app. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where you'll find all your apps and system preferences. Once you're there, scroll down and tap on apps. This section lets you manage how each app behaves on your device, including their notifications. Next, find and tap on Instagram. You might need to scroll for a bit depending on how many apps you have installed. Once you tap on it, you'll open Instagram's specific settings page. Now, select notifications. This is where the magic happens. Every kind of Instagram alert, from messages to mentions, can be customized here. Inside the notifications menu, tap on notification categories. This opens a detailed list of all the different types of Instagram notifications you can control. Each one manages alerts for likes, comments, stories, and more. Here's the important part. Tap on likes. This option handles all the notifications you receive when someone likes your posts, photos, or reels. Finally, you'll see an option that says Vibrate. All you need to do is toggle it on. Once it's switched on, your phone will gently vibrate every time you get a new like on Instagram. And that's it. You've successfully turned on vibration for likes on Instagram. From now on, you won't miss a single like, even if your phone is on silent mode. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides.